In this video, we will explore how Omnexo projects with over 500 motors can be effectively put into operation. The system supports 500 customizable products for each central control unit. If this number exceeds, the motors can be combined into product groups. Each product may then consist of several motors and be controlled together by the software. When dividing the groups, it must be noted that the programmed automatic functions within a product group are the same for all connected motors. The parameters of the motors cannot be changed individually either. Parameters and automatic functions always apply to the entire product group. It is often a good idea to split the products according to e.g. office, facade, and/or story. Create a new project. Open the project settings in the menu bar. Select more than 500 products and apply using the button. A product may now consist of several motors which are controlled together by the software. Local operation remains unaffected. This kind of project may include up to 3,000 motors. Open the Actuators tab. Add a new actuator to the project by selecting the New Actuator button. Edit the actuator designation depending on the selected division, e.g. designation of the facade side. Confirm with Enter. Use the copied function to create the required number of actuators. Repeat this process for all sections. Once all actuators have been created, enter the serial numbers in the corresponding text field for the actuator and confirm with Enter. If necessary, the actuator type can be adjusted for individual actuators. Use the button to open the product view. Close the actuator view for a detailed overview. Add a new product to the project by pressing the New Product button. Adjust the designation of the product in the text field. If necessary, adjust the product parameters such as product type and run time. To finish, assign the correct amount of motors to the product. To do so, switch to the Motors tab in the product. Click on the Add Motors button to open the pop-up window and enter the required number of motors. Confirm by pressing the button. The motors are now assigned to the product group. Repeat this process for all required product groups. Alternatively, the copy function can be used for this. In order to quickly allocate the motors to the actuator outputs, select the Automatic Assignment button. The software continuously assigns all unassigned products to the available actuator outputs. To assign manually using drag and drop, activate the detailed view using the slider. To finish, create and allocate the control modes. In order to review the project, open the project overview on the left. The number of actuators and products is displayed here. In addition, there is an overview of how many actuator outputs are assigned to a motor or how many motors are linked to an output.